morning, beautiful soul. Today is a new day, a chance to step into your power, embrace your glow, and manifest the life you deserve. Take a deep breath and let these affirmations guide your mind, body, and spirit. Repeat these affirmations with me, or simply let them sink in as you set your intentions for an amazing day. I am worthy of success and abundance. I attract opportunities effortlessly. My energy radiates confidence and positivity. I am aligned with my purpose. I am capable of achieving greatness. I release fear and embrace growth. I am a magnet for success. I trust the journey of my life. I create my own happiness. My dreams are achievable and real. I am disciplined, focused, and unstoppable. I embrace my unique power. I am fearless in the pursuit of my goals. Prosperity flows to me naturally. I am deserving of love, success, and joy. I release negativity and welcome abundance. I am creative, inspired, and innovative. I manifest wealth and financial freedom. I am confident in every decision I make. My mind, body, and soul are balanced. I am bold, brave, and brilliant. I attract the right people and opportunities. I am constantly growing and evolving. I radiate positivity in every interaction. I am open to new ideas and experiences. I trust myself and my intuition. unstoppable in reaching my goals. I let go of what no longer serves me. I am grateful for today and every blessing. I am focused, productive, and efficient. I embrace challenges as opportunities. I am resilient, strong, and empowered. My life is filled with abundance and joy. I am aligned with love, success, and happiness. I attract wealth, health, and opportunities. I am a reflection of greatness and beauty. I deserve to shine every day. I am living my dream life now. Today, I step into my power fully. I am aligned with my highest self. I trust the timing of my life. I am a creator of endless possibilities. I deserve every success that comes my way. I am confident, capable, and courageous. I release doubt and embrace certainty. I am a magnet for love, success, and joy. I choose growth over comfort every day. I am proud of how far I've come. I am focused on what truly matters. I trust myself to make the right choices. I am limitless in my potential. I embrace abundance in every area of my life. And so it is.